Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Vortex Images template, which is a notebook file for your interactive whiteboard, which you can download here. When you've downloaded the template, it'll look something like this. Okay, now it'll have 3 slides as with many other templates. It'll have the first slide being nothing to do with the vortex. Just click a few times to insert your heading. Click a few times to insert some introductory or instructional text. And then we'll come to slides 2 and 3. Now, slide 2 is the actual template where you will create your own vortex. And slide 3 is an example that I've made earlier. Okay, now to see how it works, we can start straight away. What you need to do is you need to drag these pictures of the planets into the vortex, saying whether it's a terrestrial planet or a gas giant. Okay, so let's try with this one. What have we got? Okay, terrestrial planet. That's Earth, another terrestrial planet. Okay, if we drag one to the wrong side, it'll just spin back in place, so we know, yep, that goes there. Okay, and so on. Okay, um, okay, and when you're done, it comes up and shows you a summary of your answers where each picture should be. Okay, so let's go into how you actually make this yourself. Go to slide 2. Okay, and you can see there's no pictures down the bottom of slide 2, and there's no headings where we had terrestrial planet or gas giant before. So click on the edit button in the top left hand corner, and then you need to choose how many images you'd like to have. Here there's 16, so let's change that to 8 because we've got 8 planets. Okay, and type in your labels. So for our example, we're going to stick with terrestrial planet or gas giant, but those labels are going to be obviously dependent on your subject and your topic. Okay, now for each box it's set up a label according to what label you set there. It's set terrestrial planets for 4 of these labels and gas giants for the other 4. If you wanted to have 5 in one group and 3 in the other, or 6 and 2, you just need to change those labels using the drop down menu. Okay, now to actually drag your pictures into place, you'll need your pictures on your computer first, so it's probably best to put all of your pictures in the one folder. That's probably the easiest way to do it. And then just restore your window down to using this button up the top, so it only takes a portion of the screen, and then find your pictures on your computer, and here are mine, and make sure that that window is nice and small too, so you can see both the window where your pictures reside, and you can see this template as well. So first one's first, we'll just start from the top and we'll say, right, Venus is a terrestrial planet, and when we drag it over that box, it's a little bit hard to see, but it actually turns yellow. At that stage you can let go of your mouse and the picture will appear there. Okay, Earth's another terrestrial planet, so we can see that box starting to turn yellow, and let go, there's Earth. Okay, Jupiter's a gas giant, so I'll drop it there. Okay, Mars is a terrestrial planet, so I'll pop it over there, and I'll simply do the same for all of those. I'll pause and do that now. Okay, you can see they're all done now, and essentially we're pretty much finished. The students can now do this. All you need to click is OK. Okay, I'll maximize my screen again, maximize this window. Okay, and there it is, just as before. Okay, simple as that. If students click the edit button, as with any of the other templates, the students can actually edit this themselves, and they can play around and say, hey, this one's actually a gas giant, when it's not. So if you want to prevent the students from doing that, simply type in a password that you remember and click on this box while you're making the template. When you click OK, if the student then wants to edit, they can't unless they know the password. Okay. Alright, that's about it. Hope you learned something and hope your students enjoy this too. Thank you.